Here I've got MOTOROLA Moto G7, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open sound, and here you will find a ringtone right here. So just pick the SIM card for which you would like to change this ringtone to, and let me pick SIM the first, and now I will show you all the ringtones that you can use, starting with Argo Navies. Let me just volume it up a bit so you can hear it clearly. And then just click the ringtone that you like the most, so it can be, for example, hello, tap on OK then, and as you can see it has been changed. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can change ringtone on your device in your MOTOROLA Moto G7. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.